right within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Welcome to the vlog. I didn't feel like doing my hair today, so I pulled it back. Oh, I'm so bright. Here's my shirt. We're leaving. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. And don't mind, I got a pimple patch. I love them. We're at Walmart. So we had a cart, and it was a smooth rolling cart too. And we went to the bathroom, and there was a lady coming up the aisle, and hers had a bum wheel, and it was going chugga 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 all over. And I told Sterling, I said, watch, when we come out of the bathroom, our cart won't be here because she's gonna swipe it. And she swiped our cart. Now we don't have a cart or cartless in Walmart. Oh,
Mint jelly.
Is that what you're gonna do to her? Eyeliner coming out of your nose? Yeah. Oh Lord. I got the sniffles, but we are gonna eat at Cookout. And think about Danny. Oh, it smells like wet pavement out here. We went to I was looking for some shoes. Come on. Smell it. That smell like wet pavement.
Does it keep raining? Stop. Run, it's about to rain.
Hey guys, so it is 10:23. I'm headed to bed. I didn't film anything else because, you know, we just came home and hung out, and tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.
Oh, I tried this. I want to have a pet frog. She's so cute.
You wanna pet him?
Yeah. I can.
Yeah, I see it right there.
You scared Mama. Try and get.
Did y'all get y'all's chocolate? Did you get your chocolate cake mix brownie thing? Yeah,
Pam,
did
Byron,
you
I
get
think
yours?
just set it down.
I got him.
Byron just went in there. I think
Let me see.
he was holding it.
Oh, okay.
I called him blah blah blah.
Happy Mother's Day.
I gotta get out. It's hot.
Well, hold on, I gotta open my card. I didn't open it this morning. Sterling picked it out. We both agree.
I really want a pet frog.
We want your Mother's Day to be a real joyride. Do something you love. We love you very much so. Oh my goodness.
Nipson put it in order.
Nachorui. Nachorui. Let's see if we can get it on there.
I think it's too bright.
Oh, we can.
Well, there you go.
Nachorui. Got money.
I want you to buy yourself a nice silky,
Dang.
lacy bra
Okay.
and some swimsuits.
You have to give me $50.
Okay.
There you go. just give me 10. There you go.
No. Enjoy it. Buy yourself a tour shirt. I asked Jeff. I said, Jeff, you ever been to State Farm Arena? He said, man, I don't think so.
Oh, my throat goes as I turn the camera on. This is the flower pot Journey made me. There's Dad, me, Sterling, Evan, and her. And over here, we got Nathan, Cora, and the baby. And they're little chicks made out of fingerprints. Oh, I also got carnations because I love them so much. But we're going. I got ribbon trims. Why does this look weird? I my cut ribbon trims. Oh, I got money in this card. I forgot it was in here. Put it in my purse. So after church, we didn't go out to eat because we're going out to eat right now. It's like 4 o'clock for Mother's Day. But I cut ribbon trims, and then Sterling's like, watch this with me. So we laid in the bed, and I was going to watch it with her. And then I got really sleepy. And so I took a nap, and she took off. So. But got me a good little nap in. It's raining. But I picked Cracker Barrel. Hopefully it's not too crazy. If it is, I don't know what we're going to do. Journey's pitching a fit.
Why don't you get your butt in the back? Well, then, I don't understand.
What's wrong?
Bobby? Who's Bobby?
Papa.
Papa can sit over here. Papa can sit right there. She just don't want to ride in the back. Okay? Who's Bobby?
I don't know.
It's hot.
And we all got coats on. It's because it's raining, so if your coat gets wet, you can just take it off.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. It's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
Is it good?
It's just us two, me and you.
It's a rainbow. Hard to see.
Dang, I didn't think it was raining that much.
Hi guys. It is Sunday. I seriously don't know what time it is. Let's see if I can turn on my computer. I have a pair of pants that I bought. I couldn't tell you how long ago. And I never liked them because they are boot cut. Sits slightly below natural waist. Anyway, so I decided to bring them down. I might sew them up, but not right now. I just vacuumed, and I am going to try to stitch out 3 ribbon trims, and then after that I think I have just one other one that I'll have to cut and make. And then after that, my ribbon trim turnaround time is 3 weeks, so the next ones will be after we come back from Michigan. But of course, if I have time, I'd get them done before. But I'm going to go ahead and work on these. And then it's all I plan on working on, even though I have orders that need to ship tomorrow. So I need to embroider them out, but I'm going to worry about that tomorrow because it is Mother's Day. I'm going to start with my pink. Okay, I finished the other, I guess, ankle tutu. That's what it's called. So there's both of them. And I finished the other ribbon trims as well. So there's the ribbon trims. Anyway, that's all I am going to work on. I'm not going to embroider out anything, but I did finish 3 ribbon trims and then the other anklet. I'm going to head to bed. It is 11 o'clock and I'll finish all my orders that need to ship out tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.